What I do, I'll add this pot on the fire with a little oil for the gravy. I don't like plenty grease now, guys. Yeah, me have to bring a stove inside because rain fall. I'm telling us I want cold stove me that cook on, and put it on a block. Right, so it's in a passage. And it's the outside. If I can't see it, me show you. It's a rain. It not rain hard enough, but it's hard enough to make you sick or to wet up stuff. So I just come inside. Alright, so the oil is getting hot. The oil is hotting, guys. And then remember I did season up the fish with onion and stuff like that, and Maggi and stuff like that, and I also had some fish seasoning and stuff. So I just throw some water on that, and then when this hot, I'm just gonna add the to the pot and let it cook, half cook. Then I add the fish, because I don't want my fish them to break up, so I don't really put that. I normally fix up my gravy first, then me put my fish to go and cook in my gravy. I don't really had the fish and the watery thing the same time, guys. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like, guys. So I'm going to add this to the pot now with the oil. Maybe there, so the oil is hot. Gonna rinse this out. Right, so that now I'll just have to cook, because I didn't bother to put any carrot or so. I have carrot, but I didn't bother. So that is gonna cook. I add my ketchup and a little hot sauce and a little sugar, not for taste but for flavor. So that's how I do my thing, and a little vinegar also, guys. So some people had a little lime juice, but I already had the vinegar. I can't really bother had the lime juice today. Nothing too fancy. So I'm just gonna leave that to half cook, then I'll add my fish. Let me show you the fish, guys. So this is the fish. Oh, listen. This is the fish that I was frying, because I didn't really show you. So this is the fish that I put a little flour on and fried. Just take one picture of it, because maybe it's going to be my thumbnail. I'm not look bad now. No man, I can't. I wish I found a day if it taste it, I'm not lie. Yeah. It smell nice to you if you want to say. Hey. Yes, so I'm going to add this to the gravy when the gravy half cook. As I said, I don't want to mash up my fish. So I'm not really add it same time. So I'm going to make that go and cook. I also going to add a little coconut milk to it, But I tell you, I'm not blend up the coconut yet. But we cut it up already. Easy if you don't mind. So by the time, when I put in the fish, I add a little coconut milk on top. Yeah. And then I going to add, I have cucumber. I used off it last night. I'm not sure if I have any cucumber, guys, but I love add cucumber to my fish when it's almost finished. First thing everybody normally eat first is the cucumber them. But I'm not sure, because I made vegetable last night. I think I have none. I not make vegetable last night? Yeah. I think I have. No, I know last night, I with the curry. I don't have anything. So guys, after dumping, I go cooking with breadfruit, and a few man bring a fish, man, I know I'm going to cook. If I cook dumpling, normally I go use vegetable. So tomorrow, I'll do the whatever. Yeah. So, yes guys. So I'll show you when I'm adding the fish. So So now guys, I am going to add the ketchup, the hot sauce, hot pepper. I always put a little in my thing. Vinegar and a little sugar. I open them guys because I'm actually gonna use my one hand because I have to hold the phone. So hold on there. Child. Okay, not even right. So I'm gonna add the ketchup first. Before I had the fish. Right, now I'm gonna add the hot sauce. Hold on guys, I never take off the cover here. The hot sauce, guys, Grace hot sauce. Not too much guys, cause I already have hot pepper, cause my little goddaughter bring the pepper guys. Alright, I'm just gonna add a little vinegar. White cane vinegar. Just a little bit. That's enough guys. Now I'm gonna add a little sugar. I'm just gonna stir it from the bottle. No, me, I'm one and already. Now I am going to add the fish. Yes guys. Just mixing it around a little. All the season and the herbs already into it guys. As you can see. Chew it inside and it kinda dark. Because you know as I said rain. So this will stay here and make a good gravy for the rice and peas guys. So I'm just gonna leave that. I'm just gonna cover that. So guys, here is the coconut milk. I'm going to add it to the peas guys. So it's already cooked. Try to fix my hands. So I'm adding it now guys. So you know we have the pepper, the scallion, the thyme and the garlic with the coconut milk and the peas. So guys, I'm gonna let this cook for about 15 minutes and then I had the rice because you know the coconut milk is a raw milk guys, so you know you have to cook it properly. So and that's what I'm doing now, and then I'll just wash the rice and have it ready guys. Yes guys, so I'm just gonna cover this and let the coconut milk cook guys. Yeah. So here you have the brown stew fish guys. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can see it properly now. Yes guys, so this is it. So guys, I'm ready to put the rice in the pot. I already washed it guys, because I'm holding the phone, you know. You know, you have to really use your two hands. I'm not really bother showing now when I watch it because, you know, most of my videos I always show the same thing, same way. Right guys, so I'm just gonna open the peas pot. Wow. Up here, eat, guys. So guys, I'm just gonna stir this around and cover it and leave it, guys, until it is cooked. Then I show you how the food look, guys. Remember, the fish already cooked. Yes, guys. So here you have it. Guys. The rice and peas with brown stew fish and mixed vegetable. Yes, guys. So this is it. Yeah, man. So please like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so when I drop another video like this, you will be the first one to get it, guys. Yes, guys. So I'm gonna have my dinner now, and I just wanna say thanks to everyone who will be watching this video, and I hope you learned something. Yes, guys. So thanks again. Until I cook every day, guys. Child, I could show food every day. I cook 7 days a week. You can't imagine I love to cook. So guys, there's a lot of videos to come. So it's bye for now. And I just want to give thanks to God for this meal and all the others and all the meals to come. Bye.